Comparison video between the Rolex Day-Date Ice Blue Dial Super Clone version with the 3255 movement versus the normal Chinese replica. This is the normal Chinese replica, which is very cheap in price and cheap in low in quality. This is the high-end version, the Super Clone. So there are many differences between these two. First is the color itself, sir. You can see the ice blue dial is basically this shade in the genuine watch. This is little bit darker shade. If you see in the Chinese version, the shade is very light. This is basically wrong color, totally wrong. If you compare this with the original, you can easily see the difference. Now coming to the writings, you can see the Wednesday over here, how cleanly this is written, and you can see the Wednesday over here also. So there are many small differences. I'll not go into more detail, but the things which are necessary, I'll just tell you that. Now coming to the movement. So this watch has the 3255 movement of Rolex. You can see 3255 is inscribed, and all the markings and everything you can see. The quality of the metal also, this is 904L steel. So the metal and everything is very good. This shines, and this is rust proof basically. This is oyster steel that Rolex call it. And you can see all the markings and everything, and this has the 3255 movement for the date. Now coming to the Chinese version, this is a local Chinese movement. No inscriptions, nothing. One machine fits all kind of a machine. And then this has plastic parts also. So this is the plastic ring that it has. And this is a local cheap Chinese movement basically. Made of low quality steel and very light. So the movement is also totally different as compared to the original. This does not come in original, you can make out. This is the real movement, 3255. Now the back caps also, if you'll see. So this is the Super Clone cap. It has all the inscriptions. And the metal is 904L, of course. This is heavy. And this is the Chinese cap with no inscriptions, nothing. And this has a sticker also over it. In genuine, this is clear. So the Super Clone also clear. So this is the difference and the comparison between the Super Clone Rolex Day-Date Ice Blue Dial versus the Chinese copy. Thank you.